Oh, flag stays down, surprise, surprise, as the 1-2 is sought out here. Not really sticking out well, but played, hits the upright. Strong shot from Emmanuel Alex Waswa.
Ebyo nga tubitadde ku bbali mu muzannyo gw'omupiira LIIGI ya Uganda ezzeemu okutojja olunaku olwaleero n'emipiira ebiri ku bisaawe eby'enjawulo.
Alex Sabini knows how close they came there.
Yeah, that was a very good attempt.
Ku kisaawe kya Masindi Municipal Stadium, Kitara ekubye Express FC gole mu kubwereere nga golo ya Kitara etebeddwa Paul Muchwerezi.
That's a free kick against Isma Kawaulo. Now spaced up into the wing. This is going to be a foot race. Or momentarily slowed down as Living Capone tries to find his footing. Picks the cross, glancing header! And as they have done time and time again, Kitara Football Club look to bounce towards the tail end of the game. And who else than the darling boy, the Western sweetheart, the hero incumbent, Paul Muchwerez puts Kitara in the lead, and Express have an express penalty to pay.
Kati Express ekubiddwa emipiira ebiri egyeringanwa nga Sports Club Villa yasembyeyo kumukuba ewankulukoko. Obuwanguzi buno bututte Kitara mu kifo ekyokusatu kubonera 2-2 mu mipiira 11. Iyo Express esigadde mu kifo kya 8 n'obubonero 13. Mu mpira omulala oguzanyiddwa olunaku olwaleero ku kisaawe Lugogo, KCCA Football Club etimpudde Solitiro Bright Stars ku goozi 3 ku bwereere. Goozi za KCCA zitebeddwa Arafat Usama, Muhammad Shaban ne Emmanuel Loki. Abel Chitaka, Salt TV, Omunyo.